Hello friend, this is Dharmendra once again with my new video in which I am going to tell you about how to use copy, move, rotate, erase and oops command. Okay, so these are maximum used for modifying any object after drawing. Now opening the CAD screen, setup unit. Before starting your command, you will enter set length type decimal and precision 0. Insertion scale I am taking here into millimeter. Then OK. Now dimension style manager. For dimension style manager, we need to press D. Then go to modify. Click on primary unit. Choose decimal and precision 0. Once again, text size we may increase by 0.5 instead of 0.18. 5 and click on OK. Set current, close. Okay. Now Limex. Limex is all about length and width of the screen. Here we are taking 100 unit in X and 100 unit in Y. Then pressing Z enter and A enter for zoom one. So here are commands. Copy. First command is copy. COPY. For copy command we use CO as the initial command. For short key CO enter. Before applying that command we need to draw an object to copy that particular object. C enter, circle. Radius I am providing 5 unit. Now I am using copy command. CU enter. Select object. Enter. Specify base point. I might choose the center point for the specifying base point. And then I will click anywhere on the screen multiple times to copy. Apart from that, we may use distance as well to provide a particular distance to move our object after copy. Once again I am using the same command. C enter, circle, radius 10 unit. Now I am using copy command. Select object, enter. Base point, I am picking center for base point, then ortho on. Now I am providing the distance. I am providing 20 unit as a distance. Once again 40 unit. Once again 60 unit. So it is 20 mm from the center. This way we can copy any object. We can apply this command also on lines as well as rectangle. L enter for line. I am drawing a 20 mm line and using copy command for copying the object. CU enter. Select object, enter. Specifying base point, then providing distance 10 unit. 20 unit, 30 unit. That means the object being copied from the base point and distance of 10 mm. Now 40 unit. Okay. So this way we can use copy command to make a multiple copy of an object. Now our next command is move command, which is similar to copy command, but it doesn't make multiple copies. It just move the base point to the next point. See, enter. I'm drawing a circle, radius 10 unit. Now I am moving this object from base point to 20 mm distance. For move command we use aim, enter, move. Aim, enter in command line, then select object, specify base point. For displacement we will provide the required length. We will provide 40 unit, and object being displaced from the length till 40 mm. This way we can move any object from any location to desired location. Now our next command is rotate command. Rotate. Okay. For this command we may use rectangle, REC, enter, specify first corner. Use any of the following method: area, dimension or rotation. I am taking here D, enter, that means dimension, providing dimension length 10 and width is 10 also. Now I am going to use the required command, which is rotate. Rotate. RO, enter. The short key is that RO, enter. Rotate. RO, enter. Select object, enter. For this point we will click on any corner and we will provide rotation angle. I am giving here 45 degree to rotate the particular rectangle. For getting the measurement, if it is right or not, I will provide a baseline and then use dim arc, and then we will use angular command, that means DAN, DAN, or we will click on angular command, DAN, click on both line and it will show the actual angle, which is 45 degree. For measuring the align dimension we may use dim align. Okay, this way we will get the length and width as well. So this was all about rotate command, through which we can rotate any object in desired direction. Now erase. Erase is used to delete or remove any object being drawn on your screen. Erase. Here we have drawn an object and we are going to use erase command to remove this drawing. Erase, select object as a whole, press enter, and the object will disappear from the screen. Now oops command is there. Oops is being used to recall a deleted object.